and said, I got a bunch of wood over here. You'll come look through it and see what I got. It's cutoffs. You know, it's kind of like what I need for what I'm doing. So I'm going to searching through the pile. So I'll give you an update on what I find. And yeah, go see what we can find to make some guitars out of, guys. Let's go check it out. Hey, Spike here. I'm over at Nathan's house, undisclosed location. If you want the information, you have to talk to him to get the information how to get here. But I come by and picked up some stuff to work with on building my next guitars, and let me show you what I got right quick. Y'all ready to see? And then I'll go down and show you the pile. You would not believe this. Look here. Got this nice piece of maple right here. Nice long. And got this piece of sycamore right here. Got some nice spalting in it. Check it out, guys. And then over here, I got you gonna call that some real ambrosia looking maple right there. So we're gonna take some of that home too. We're gonna resaw that and make tops out of its plan. So, hey, that's what we got loaded up. Nathan, tell everybody how to get a hold of you, brother.
Yeah, you can reach us at appalachianslabco.com or give us a phone call, 864-580-8936. We offer live edge slabs, hardwood lumber, and custom sawmill services. Everything from, like you see here, guitar blanks, live edge shelves, tabletops, you name it. If it's in a hardwood, slab form, or lumber, we can do it. Reach out to us.
Yeah. Pieces I picked up, I went through the scrap bin mostly and picked out stuff that I wanted out of that. You know, it's gonna make everything I need, because y'all know I work in small pieces anyway. So hey, let me show y'all what big wood looks like. Y'all need to see this. Okay guys, we're down here at the sheds. He's showing me all the big stuff down here. Y'all check this out. You ever want a table for your conference room? Nathan here can hook you up, brother.
Yes, we're just a dad and son run lumber company. We run sawmill services, and this is just Spike showing you here some of our bigger slabs. He's building a guitar out of Sycamore. He's using a small piece for guitar blanks, but this is one of our 10-foot.
That's a monster Sycamore, boys. Check that out. Now, you got a conference table. That'd make you one.
This is a lot of our, you know, this is how we stack and dry the lumber.
Everything's got stickers in it, stacked up, going, and
everything from guitar blanks to charcuterie boards to big conference tables.
Yeah, good Lord, all the nice pieces. Live edge everywhere to work with, so y'all can work the live edges anytime you want to. He's got her stacked up, guys. Piles and piles of beautiful wood. Yeah, hey, I'll take y'all around and show y'all my secret stash, but I better not catch you in it. I'm gonna have to whip you. Around here, you sneak in a secret stash. They got some ambrosia maple over there, and they got some cedar over there, and they got some black walnut back there, and we got a piece of maple, guys. That is one solid chunk of maple that's big enough to make a whole guitar. Yep, it is. Got a lot of nice pieces up here. He's got all kind of good stuff, and I got my stuff hid. We hid all my stuff around the corner, so y'all don't come looking for it. Turn around here. Look at this. Y'all thought I was just gonna show you a little bit. Look at this. Check it out. Now he's got some really nice stuff stacked up under here, all drying out. Some beautiful maple. The maples that are just unbelievable here, guys. He has some of the most beautiful maple I've seen. And get in here, look at this right here. Check this out. Is that his maple? Okay, I thought it was. You know, I'm not as educated about wood as you, so I'm gonna ask questions when I don't know.
I've stacked it 100 times.
But look up here, guys. Look at them big old thick ones up there waiting for somebody to make something beautiful out of. Yeah. He's got her stacked up and waiting here. And then, hey, guys, it just keeps going. I mean, there's piles and piles and piles of just beautiful wood. And then you come around here and look at this. Wait, you hit the door, and it really blows you away. Because there are piles of the most beautiful wood sitting around, and he's got it all stacked up. Look at this. Got these all tacked up tight, and got a big heavy one on there to hold them tight.
This is actually going to be 3 guitar blanks here.
That's 3 guitar blanks. Is that what that is? There you go. We're gonna make some. He's gonna make some guitar blanks out of that for a buddy. So get him some. But I've been watching this piece of maple right here real close, guys. So y'all keep down on it. Yeah. But yeah, there's just the ideas that you can come up with when you look at something like this, guys. Can you imagine that being the back of your guitar? No, really, can you imagine that being the back? Front's got to be real beautiful if that's going to be the back. Man, he's got some pretty stuff around. It's just everywhere. And hey, I'm not into cookies because I don't know if you could put a cookie in a guitar, guys. I'm a little worried about that concept, okay? I don't know if it could take that thing, but he's got some beautiful cookies sitting around here he's cut. And you got maple cookies and cedar. You can cut about any kind you want, but he's got a lot of those, and so lots of this beautiful, good dry wood ready to go. And if you want something, he can cut it up and make whatever you want. If he don't have it sitting around, I'm sure he'll cut you down and make you something. So, and if you want some of these big chunks, make something big, hey, go for it, man. I see mantles sitting over there stacked up one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 mantles stacked there. Y'all see them right there? I know that's what they are. Going to somebody's nice house. Guys, y'all take it easy. I'm going to get on out of Nathan's way. He probably wants to go on in the house. He's had a long, rough day logging trees. So, hey, y'all be good. Remember, you got to search out hard, find something good, make something out of it. But when you do, it's worth it. So you find a good friend, find good wood, and you ain't going to believe this. The Great Guitar Build-Off, his cousin played the guitar on it for me. When you start off at the very beginning, that's Ronald ripping that thing up, guys. I'm going to leave the information to get to Nathan's stuff there where you can get a hold of him down in the description. He'll say he would, it's going to be, you're not going to see mine. Well, hey guys, I'm back from the wood yard, and guess what? I got some Sycamore, big time, 2.5 inches thick, 4 foot long, 19 on the fat end, 15 on the narrow end. I can get 3 guitar backs out of this Sycamore. So we're going to carve them into the back of here and we'll get 3 out of that. So there's what we got there. We picked up this piece of maple, right here, and it's got pretty good looking finish on it. I think it's going to be fine to use to make a top with. We might see what we can do with that. And then I got the cool piece ready. Bring them on. I was able to get a couple of these. Ambrosia maple. Already been planed down. And they're ready to resaw. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them and resaw them like this and try to lay them open and make tops out of them. So I got that one. And then also ended up with this one. So I got both of these. We're going to clean these up, see what they look like, and get this stuff cut down on the saw and get it workable so we can start making a guitar body. I told you I was going to get wood to make a guitar body out of, and well, got Sycamore for the back, Ambrosia maple for the tops. That's what they're going to be. So hey, let's keep on moving, get something else done, and see what happens the rest of the evening. We'll get something done here.